Hey guys, welcome back to Holiday Road. We are in beautiful Maui once again doing my thing I'm most excited for, which is the road to Hana, which is this epic road trip through the north side of Maui to check out all kinds of cool different spots. So behind us is stop one, Twin Falls, one of 9 waterfalls we're supposed to see today on this amazing road trip adventure.
We are so excited. It is going to be fun. Cannot wait to make all the stops. It's going to be a good day.
Stopped off again for another waterfall. You're allowed to swim in this one, but I don't quite want to get wet this early on. But I also can't convince Deanna to come down because the I just covered myself in mud because the path down is muddy is what I was going to say. So I just proved my point. This road is absolutely the coolest drive I've ever done in my life. The waterfalls, the stop-offs, this gorgeous ocean view behind us, and there's over 620 curves on this road, so it truly is winding through the sides of these mountains. It's so neat.
Stopping at the Kihei Arboretum to see some plants. They have something called rainbow eucalyptus trees, and like the trunk of the tree and the bark of the tree looks like a rainbow. So we're gonna go check it out.
Absolutely stunning. You can see the different shades of colors throughout the tree. Never seen anything like it before. So Deanna just asked me, if you cut a rainbow eucalyptus tree, what would the inside look like? And I answered, full of Skittles.
Absolutely. These are still warm.
I also ended up getting one of these because why not?
This is unreal.
Are bananas native here? That's really good.
I know.
Really good. That was the best banana bread I've ever had in my life.
Do not miss this stop.
So it's called Aunt Sandy's. Aunt Sandy's, they have lunch and other snacks, but the banana bread is where it's at. All right, we're to our next stop, which is a lava tube cave, but the weather threw us a little bit of a curveball and it's not pouring rain. So good thing we've already got our swimsuits on, but hopefully the footage isn't all blurry, but we'll see. Wave to the camera. And if you keep following it, it does come out the other end. This is super cool. We cannot recommend highly enough the Shaka app. If you are ever in Maui and you're planning on going on the road to Hana, download the Shaka app. from the App Store. It's $20, but it gives you a guided tour of this whole road, and it tells you where to stop. We would have never found this lava tube cave had we not had that app, and it told us right where to go. We're at our next stop, which is the Hana lava tube, which is a cave underground carved out of lava. So we've got these flashlights and we're gonna make our way in to explore. They call this the chocolate room because it looks like melted chocolate all over the walls. Super cool. Hana, what's your review of the Hana lava tube?
It was really cool. It was very dark in there, but
it was $15 a person, so keep that in mind.
Yeah, and they have a lot of cool plaques along the way that tell you a lot of history about it and like the natural formation of it. That's cool. At this like food truck place that had just a bunch of different options for
in Hana. We made it to Hana.
Yes, in Hana. And I got a turkey melt. And Zach got
fish and chips.
Classic.
Got to say, none of Maui's food has let me down so far. We're just leaving the little food truck park here in Hana. We have 2 stops left on our tour today, but they're the 2 big ones, which is Haleakala National Park and the state park. Well, how do you say that? It starts with a W, with the black sand beach, essentially. But we have reservations for that at 3, so we're gonna do the national park first, then the state park. It's gonna be great. We're at the base of the largest waterfall on the road to Hana. Maui Waterfalls. It's breathtaking.
Amazing.
Guys, we finally arrived at Haleakala National Park, which is super exciting. We've been on our way here for a while. So I wanted to quick give you a recommendation. If you haven't already, and if you love national parks, get the America's Beautiful Pass. For $80, it gets you into all national parks for the entire year. They're normally $30 a piece. Deanna and I have already saved money on this one. We've only had it for a couple months. Also, don't remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like this video for many more like it. And stay tuned for the rest of what Hawaii has to offer in this one. There are 2 main trails on the Haleakala National Park entrance over near Hana. The first one is the PPY Trail. It's 4 miles. I'm not sure if we're gonna have time to do it, so we'll see. But it does say you do a 400-foot waterfall. Sounds super cool. The other one that we're definitely doing is takes you to the Ohio Gulch and the 7 sacred pools. This rain is really coming down, but it's
a storm.
It's quite a sight to see, though. Upward march. If we run fast enough, we can avoid the rain. Yeah, so torrential downpour. Really picked a bad time to change into my dry clothes, but we got to see the 7 sacred pools, and I think we're gonna go back again now that the rain stopped as soon as we finish to get a little better look at them. So we finally got a little dry weather here again, and we are at one of the stops that we've heard the most good things about, which is Napa State Park. It's the home of the Black Sand Beach, also a lava tube cave, and a couple other different things. So we're gonna go check it out and see one of the most unique beaches in America.
We'll see if we can brave the water down here, see if it's too cold for us.
And that's going to conclude our Road to Hana video. Mahalo for watching. And remember, this is just a single video and a big series we're doing on Maui. So if you're not subscribed to that channel, you're going to want to be to make sure you get updates about when our newest videos drop.
I really like to be prepared when we go to new places, and sometimes it's hard to know what to bring. So here's a few things that I would suggest if you are doing the Road to Hana. Since it is a full day thing and there's a lot of opportunity to get wet, I suggest bringing a change of clothes or a change of shoes, change of socks. As far as the shoe situation goes, I have on some like really thin water shoes, which were kind of nice. I wish I had something more traction though, so I definitely suggest getting some sort of shoe you can wear in the water with some traction, so when you're doing all your hikes, it's a little bit easier for that. The trails are pretty slippery, so something you could wash pretty easily too, because there was a lot of mud. As far as clothing went, I wore an all white outfit, so that was definitely a mistake on my part. But I am glad that it was like athletic wear, so it dried really quickly. So I suggest maybe wearing a swimsuit or again, clothing that would dry pretty easily.